Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max Blue in Cursed Arena. To begin, focus on understanding his primary role as a high-damage, single-target attacker. You'll want to acquire him early, ideally within the first 3 rounds, and prioritize his first 2 upgrades to boost his attack speed by 25%. Position him behind a sturdy tank unit to maximize his uptime and ensure he can consistently deal damage without being targeted directly. This initial setup is crucial for a strong start. Max Blue's primary attack deals a solid 200 damage per hit, making him a formidable force. His special skill, Arcane Burst, unleashes a powerful area of effect attack every 15 seconds, hitting up to 5 enemies. For optimal synergy, pair him with units that provide crowd control, like stunners or slowers, to keep enemies in his attack range. Always position him within 10 tiles of the front line, but safely behind your main defenders. Mastering Max Blue involves advanced positioning. In arenas with choke points, place him to cover the narrowest path, maximizing Arcane Burst hits. His ultimate ability, Overcharge, should be activated when facing a cluster of high-health enemies, boosting his damage by 50% for 8 seconds. To counter fast-moving enemies, ensure he has a clear line of sight, and consider a secondary unit to slow them down before they reach him. When upgrading Max Blue, prioritize his damage output and attack speed first, aiming for at least 3 levels in each. A balanced team composition is vital. Include 2 strong tank units to absorb damage, 1 support unit for healing or buffs, and 1 additional damage dealer to complement Max Blue. Always observe your opponent's primary damage type. If they have many ranged units, ensure Max Blue is well protected in the backline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.